Good morning, Dave Snyder here. It is the 10th day of October 2015. Okay, so I've shown this weather pattern before. Well, not this exact weather pattern, but I actually saved this about an hour ago, the weather pattern here. It's changed a little bit, but I saved this weather pattern, like I said, about an hour ago. And I overlaid that over this picture here of the moon backwards, right? Reverse picture of the lunar surface, or Mare Oriental Basin, backwards. It has to be flipped over. I overlaid that picture over this right here, just like this, because you can see this. See this line right here, that with this little hump right there. That is exactly the same as this line right here. I don't have it lined up right on there because I had to. You can see how perfect that fits, all the way out to here. I mean, it's just right in there. Then watch what happens when I remove the moon picture. Oh, I want to point out that this all here. Look, see that? Look at that. There's your whole western United States right there. Look at that. Nice. Okay, so let's check this over. Okay, underneath this moon picture, I have Africa, right by Africa. So I'm going to just remove the moon picture here. I align this picture of the weather to the moon. I remove the moon picture. And what do we have? What happens when we do that? Let's take a look at this. Lake Victoria. Oh, look at that. Look at Lake Victoria there. Look at this little hump right here. Look how it just falls into place right there. All using the moon to align that. It shows that those areas have something in common. You know what I'm saying? It shows that they've been in the same place. They were created and shaped in the same place. This area of the earth in North America and this area of Africa, shaped by the same thing in the same place during the supercontinent or something. You got Lake Victoria right there in place. It is just incredible what you can do with the lunar surface, because it shows you the truth of the planet. Yes, indeed. Sure does. It does. I mean, that's there. Clearly see that weather pattern fit there. That is Lake Victoria right there. I guarantee that. I mean, wherever that is in North America, that area in North America has ties to the same hot spot as Lake Victoria was once. They were both in over that same hot spot at one point in time. So let's go look for that. That's right by the Great Slave Lake, and that is like right in here somewhere. So this is probably the Great Slave Lake, may be the location, or it could be like a. Let's just take a look. Turn the weather on. Just Google Earth weather, see what it gives us. Probably nothing, but we'll try it. Oh, let's see. It doesn't give us much, does it? It sucks. Used to be good, but not any longer. But in this area somewhere, it could be here, and it could be in a couple of different spots there where this continent drifted over the same hot spot as where Lake Victoria was uplifted at one time. You know what I mean? It could be this right here. This could be the same, you know, a volcano from back then or something. But it's definitely in this area, as we can see by that picture of the weather there. It shows it right next to here. So let's just check. It's got a little band that comes down that way. Let's check that real quick. Where's this one, right? Like I said, it's probably a couple different places in here where you can see here. These were all volcanoes, I'm sure, related to that same area. Anyways, just want to point that out before it all disappeared. Everybody have a good day, good weekend.